Let's take time to practice together in a brief experience of meditation and reflection. I invite you now to gently settle in and allow your body to become still and just breathe. Allow your hands to rest softly and your feet to be grounded. And if you're comfortable, allow your eyes to close. And take a slow, deep breath in and gently release it. Again, breathe and then let go. And let's do that one more time. Inhale and exhale. Now bring your awareness inward and let everything in your outer world go quiet. And just notice your inner landscape. There's no need to change anything. Just notice. Gently bring to mind something in your life, a situation, a question, a concern. And instead of analyzing it, just simply hold it in awareness. And to this situation or circumstance, introduce this idea. There is a greater possibility here. There is a greater possibility here. Not forcing, not striving, just becoming open. And silently affirm, I'm available to the highest outcome. Can you feel that? I am available to the highest outcome. Just sit with that idea. Take a few breaths. You're not trying to make anything happen. You are allowing. I am available to the highest outcome. Now shift your awareness slightly upward, as if lifting your thoughts to a higher level. And imagine a presence of light. This is your higher awareness, your inner guidance, your connection to Source. Let it surround you gently, effortlessly. And know in this moment, I am supported, I am guided, I am not alone. I am supported, I am guided, I am not alone. Just breathe that in. Now gently, without force or effort, allow someone or something to come to mind that feels unresolved. There's no need to revisit the story. Just notice the feeling. And now, silently to yourself, perhaps you can say, I am willing to see this differently. I am willing to see this differently. No pressure to fix it. No demand to feel differently. Just simple willingness. And imagine that whatever you've been holding begins to loosen, begins to soften, begins to lift. For you're not carrying it alone anymore. Allow Spirit to do the heavy lifting. And breathe into the thought, I am willing to see this differently. Now let everything go. No thoughts to hold, no images to keep. The invitation is to just rest. In a few breaths of quiet stillness. And if a thought arises, let it pass, like a cloud in the sky, and return gently to your breath. Just rest here, in your center, in your truth, in your spirit. Now gently bring your awareness back to your body. Notice your breath, your hands and your feet. And carry this knowing with you. There's a deeper presence within you. It's always available. A path is always unfolding, and you are walking it with every breath. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. And return bringing this peace with you. And take a breath. And so it is.